Look here, you need for run go over to YouTube and Richard Brown Films and go subscribe. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Love you guys.
What's up? Well, Mr. Brown, I was in Star from the other day and I overheard this argument.
What kind of argument?
You know, sound good at all.
What kind of argument?
Me hear say you.
Me?
Yeah, you. There were two female teacher.
Hmm.
You laughing? It's funny. Is that true?
Yeah. Yeah, me there with two female teacher.
Anna, you proud?
Mm-hmm. Well proud, man. What wrong with that?
In a time like this, two teacher? Two female?
Right no more than one next one. See all the Spanish teacher?
Typical Jamaican men. Why can't men contain? You have two, you want one more? Why so greedy?
It's not about greed. It's about living your life.
What life? Poverty and separation?
You only have one
In a
life.
time like this too?
You only have one life. Live your life to your fullest.
Well, Mr. Brown, I'm not here to jump into your business. But I look on you as my younger brother. And as a senior teacher, that don't look good. That
Excuse
don't look good. It look good to you?
Miss McCray, only one life me have, you know. Me just be honest with you. Nothing wrong. It not affect nobody. All I make they together with one student. Would I never do something like that? I want older person.
Persons. As in 1, 2, and you want 3. I'm not here to judge or to bring you down, sir, but it's all good.
Miss McCray,
It's
right
all
now I
good.
just relax me. I try relax, you know. Yes, you say school over. May I drink my drinks and you just come in.
It's all good. And tomorrow, if you see me in school, can greet me. Don't malice me now,
Me not malice you.
It's all good.
You just feel like me not mad, you know. Me understand your point, but me just a try to live my life. Nothing is wrong with what I'm doing, you know. Don't be too hard on your man. Take a page out of my book. Make him feel nice when you reach home, yeah?
What a book. You're the author?
Yeah. Ask me Miss Johnson number.
Interesting. See you tomorrow, Mr. Brown.
See you too, Miss McCray.
Babe? Babe? What's all this about? Tell me.
Good evening.
Good afternoon, baby.
You know, Jasmine, I was at work today
Mm-hmm.
and I was thinking, like, I know this is not the actual day that you give me for us to have sex, but I just was thinking, like, I just want to come home, set the mood a little bit, and just make it special. And we just make love tonight. I know it's not the day, but I just want to make love to you, baby.
Babe, why can't you just understand? Today's just Thursday. We only have sex on Saturdays, and today is Thursday. I am busy throughout the week, babe. School drain me at times. I don't understand. When will you get it, babe?
Jasmine.
Everything with me is a schedule, and you know that.
Jasmine.
So
Jasmine.
why switch now, baby?
Listen to me now. Let your hair down and stop worrying about the dates. Stop it, man. Just listen. Don't ruin the moment, Jasmine.
I am
I
not.
get your favorite wine and don't ruin the moment.
Well, thank you. I appreciate everything, but it's just not the right time, baby.
You know how much we buy this one, Janelle, for?
Babes, I appreciate it, babe. Don't get me wrong. The sex thing drained me throughout the week. I don't understand that.
Say me to tell me, say. But waste all of this money. You're not at all. Look how much, Jasmine. What more can I do to get this stupid schedule thing out your head? Because you know, say it kind of get to me now. Me not telling no lie. It's getting to me. It's getting.
not.
Listen to me, Jasmine. This is. I tell you this. Me serious. Me very serious. This, what you tell me, say, this schedule thing is madness.
In the beginning, the schedule was there. You know me in the beginning. So why switch now? It's not new to you, babe. My entire life is scheduled. I'm a lady of principle, you know that. And first of all, I don't really like sex. I don't like sex. Sex is not entertaining like how you make it seem or feel. It's not.
So wait. What am I doing here, Jasmine? What's the purpose of me? Me already I provide for you financially or soul-wise. What's my purpose?
Your presence, it makes a difference.
How must I be great if I can't be great to my woman in bed? Eh? Jasmine, when I tell her, it's like you just kill my whole mood. Imagine me go through all of this. Eh? And all me just ask for is just for a little time out of your schedule. Like, and everything it must be planned, you know. Sometimes we can't even plan some little unplanned trip, some little unplanned pregnancy and this. Sometimes them work out.
I get a point. Well, 2 more days now can kill you, you know. Saturday should so come.
Saturday, you know me have work on Saturday. I mean, not come home until time. And when you come home, you're tired. You know what? Everything good.
Just trust me now.
Jasmine, it's alright. I'm good.
It's not all about sex sometime, you know. Take it up. Take it up, babe.
Alright.
Because a little sex.
Sir. Hurt yourself, bro. Somebody out there must appreciate them when they come rose here.
I'm bartender, pull this up, please. I pull this one. Me think so far, yeah, my sister start talk. They're done with the bar thing.
From me and your sister talk. You come like say, me live, them a bartender watch come every week one come they know me. To all me there.
Bro, that don't sound good. What really I want? If you ever say that, that means there's something alright in a relationship. What I want?
Imagine me live a house with her. Jane? She's so bright. She have everything packed down to the book. Everything written down, everything planned. Even with sexual time where you're supposed to have, she schedule out it. I want one time, she catch up on like one date in a month, every 22 a month. That I dare we get to have sex.
Why? That not sound right, brother. That not sound right. That not sound right. Me a man, and me can't tell us me can relate to that. But me know say honest, that not supposed to be one good feeling. For you know say you leave a house with a woman and then she has schedule out to sex. But yo, now whole a reason with her. Now whole a reason with her and talk to her because that not sound good.
That's not even it, you know. That's not even it. Me love your sister. And it's like, I'm like this close to marrying her, to propose to her. This close. But just there is something just tell me say, to hold back a little bit. Because me a man, I mean it's salt. And the work me do, you have a lot of sexy girls in my face every day. You see me?
That not sound too right in your face every day, but but big man thing still. Big man thing. Me know some of your friend before they the sister still. I mean I know a few being a man with cheat or nothing still. So just go on with the faith. Me know say she listen to when me talk to her. Say me all the reason with her and make she know say yo, you want to marry to her, but that's the sex thing there. I have to fix up.
You see your sister, I don't know if I'm me or is that thing with her, but I know somebody where you can talk to. She don't know.
She will listen, brother. She will listen to me. Me her bigger brother.
Well,
she will listen to me.
Well, try your luck. Try your luck. Bartender. This is much me have. This is much me have.
But yeah, me not try with you now. Cause me know said by now she's what time I know? She's supposed to left school by now, so me probably can't catch her. So yeah. Me I work go to school see if me can catch her. Zane?
Well, do ya do me there.
Yeah, look at more this. Go on with him, everything all good.
How much me have?
Hey sis, what lang?
I'm good, bro. We just fuck up, so.
I want to talk to you about a little thing, man. What are you son?
So what's up? Yes, bro.
Come closer, me talk to you, man.
What is it now?
You know, so I say Jamaican today, and me am a whole reason. He must show me say, he want to marry to you and something. I mean, I said, boy, that good. You know, I say it's a good look that you're going to be first one in our family to get married, and that's going to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see me, but
And your point is?
he must show me say only one little problem. Everything else good in our relationship, but when it comes to his sex part, system, I say, boy, it's a way. It's a way you put restriction for the sex. You micromanage it. You have dates when enough to have sex. Them are saying lucky enough if you can get you all 2 times a month.
So you stop me to tell me about sex. You're my brother, you know, bro.
Sis, me nah say me a come to you about that. Listen on. If him can literally come to me and reason with me, that means that he love you enough for appreciate boy at least he want the relationship work, but sex is a problem. And me I tell you the truth, sis. Me a man and me I tell you that I want important partner relationship. And as a teacher, you should know that too.
You don't understand. School is stress. The students is a mess at times. My life is structured, so the sex obviously got to be structured as well. It's not easy to tolerate these students on a daily basis. I am tired. Majority of the times coming home from school, I am tired and drained. It's not all about sex. It's not about sex, bro.
Right. Me only I tell you still, so listen. That's our important part in a relationship. It's not all about that, but that's a very important part. And if the part there structured like everything else, it's gonna be problematic. But me not quarrel and me not something, me only just it come to show you say yo, the man want to marry to you, but you need to fix up that part there.
And who are you, a counselor?
So you have to say no, sis. Me not counselor, but me a brother, me a bigger brother, so me supposed to can reason with you and show you when you go wrong.
Not on my sex life, bro. This is too much, but thanks. Thanks for your concern and help. That's good. Anything else?
Alright. Alright. You can't say me never want it,
And for information, it's not all about sex. It's about bonding. If you know what that means.
Alright, go on ban. Go on
It's
ban.
about bonding, not
Go
about
on
sex.
ban. Go on ban with your banding.
You're lucky.
Babes, I'm better with him, man. You can't just come in one day from work and you just actually just give me something. How about text her? Babes, watch out, now, man. Look how much a long time you tell me foolishness, you know. You can't come in from work one evening. I actually just free up yourself and give me something.
You know something I like my mama, right? When I like man, I love chat. Why go to my brother for? I talk about some not sexing you. Eh? Oh, my business and your business become a brother business. What kind of man are you? You're just like every other Jamaican man. Love sex, 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 sex. The act topic.
So Jasmine, allow me to tell. Eh? Allow me to tell. How much time for the month may I actually have sex? Eh? How much time for a month in a 1 month? Make you can count palm one finger. Cause by time if you first you say on Saturday, and then you sometime I'll 2 times for a month your period come. So I've one.
You have stressed me out, you know, see? You're stressing me about sex. That's why the period have to come twice monthly. Sometime. You're like every other Jamaican man. Trust me, babe. You're sick smoke with this sex talk every single second of the hour. It's annoying now, man. You don't understand. To be working as a teacher. To be planning lesson plans for students. And sometimes they're still not learning. It's hard to be working for the government and still no salary increase.
What you thought now really make no sense, you know? Because
But
this is about us and fair relationship. So you try to tell me say sex not important in this relationship. And that's what I try to say.
But it should not be the focus, babe. Let's think about other stuff, how to make money.
You are work, me are work, and money are coming, right? Money are coming, the bills them are take care. What else you could have possibly stress yourself about?
Start a business to work enough money to start a business.
Jasmine, let me tell you this. It's because me love you, you know. Me even me never think of coming out of the relationship and find another woman. Jasmine, what kind of work me do? Eh? I'm a gynecologist. Me see vagina every day. All shape, size, color, and everything. And all because me love it. Them girls when they come at my office, you know, them actually push on themselves for me, you know. I mean, every day me there at work, me I think about you. Remember when me I did Just Start Talk or you did Wild? Me remember the first time you go up on your head and that did lick my chip. Eh? So me if you tell me say, Jasmine, only thing left for you, you know, is for you get pregnant and me and you get married.
Well, that sounds like a plan.
So I say if me get married, we can get sex more often, right?
I'll see about it.
Jasmine, look. Don't make because I like a vagina. Me have problem. Me already I'll be faithful already. And it's because me really love you. Me actually I take them saying what you tell me. Because in a real life, you know, no sensible man nah take if you know a woman nah give them something and out the road that do go on with themselves, you know. Because as a man, you look good, me wear good cologne and something. Woman smell me and pass me every day. And want to be my friend. And because me know say me love you and me know where you come from. Me be faithful.
Better remember where you come from.
Yeah, but me need to remember what you used to give me too. Me need to remember, me need to get some assurance. Me need to choke you. Me need to spank you. Babes, come on, man.
Alright, right now, I'm ready. Come on.
Serious? You know, I have a surprise for you.
For you?
Yeah.
Like what now?
Hold on. Then. Take off your glasses. Yes. Don't look, you know.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Don't look.
Okay, babe.
Yeah?
Babe, we're not gonna drop.
Ah, man, you're good, man. I mean, you know, man.
You sure, babe?
You're good, man. I mean.
What?
Wait. You're not answering me.
No, I'm not. Look at that, babe.
After last night,
What's
you know.
this about, though? What does this mean?
Babes, after last night, you know, man. That what you go on do the night shower? We not depend on joke business. Me just wish you just keep up and just give me it more often. That way you do? Just give me it more often. I like it.
Okay, let's see.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Excitement Bridal. How may I help you?
My fiance here, this is a surprise for her, and we just want one nice dress we can fit my beautiful wife to be here.
Oh,
Like, I don't know if I can assist her.
of course, we're capable of. Um, do you have anything in mind? Are you looking for anything in particular?
Well, I'm not a man who is fussy, you know. I just want a nice, decent, elegant wedding. You don't want too much of your family there. No disrespect, but just something nice. So I say offer everything.
Yes, we do a total package.
What do you think, babes?
Sounds good. We can maybe take a business card and contact them.
No, but I mean, with the year now, we can. I'm sure she have a
What's your
package.
plan for today? Is it that you're planning on looking at the dresses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can show you a photo or album of the things that we offer.
Sure.
Things that has already been done.
Alright, sounds good. Mrs. Alicia Brown, welcome back. How may I assist you today?
Well, doctor, I don't know what's wrong with nobody. But to tell you the truth, me I feel one little tiny itching down there. Me don't know what wrong.
Nothing is wrong with you. Every week you come for the same problem. Nothing is wrong. Your vagina is perfectly fine. The only problem I see with your vagina is that it's not being used. That's the only problem. So I don't know if you just like for waste money or what. You like for waste money?
Now come clean, I tell you the real truth, you know. The reason I've been coming here so often is because I like you, you know?
Well,
But,
um, Alicia, as you can see, I am married.
so,
No, thinking about it, no, I can't do this. I'm a very faithful man to my wife.
everybody cheat. 99% of Jamaican man ain't cheat.
Well, I'm in the 1%.
Well, say as if you know, just take my number.
I have a number here on file, but I just don't know if I can't do it.
Hey, just call me.
Yeah,
No,
but
don't think about it. Just call me.
well, if it's there anything else we can help you with another time I can come back. But in the meantime, just you're a very nice girl. Just get somebody to help you out because I'm saying I use.
If me want somebody smoother there, so later.
Yes, mommy. We just reach home, so we'll take a shower and then we call her back. Yeah, man. See Jasmine there too. Uh-huh. Hold on, the moment. Let me call you back. Jasmine, what is this?
What is this? This is a calendar. This is a pen. I'm writing days for us to have sex.
Jasmine, we not past this already. What kind of date for have sex you talk about? We not go through this already. We not. Jasmine, we think say the fact that we get married, this wouldn't make no sense. This wouldn't make no sense. We think we pass through them as and Jasmine.
Why would you do that?
What I mean, why would you do that? I think me a pick me I come right down me the dates of the week when me feel Jasmine, me a big man, you know. Me no think that me supposed to have got through this yeah. Listen to me.
Before we got married,
Listen, me no
I
want
did not say
listen,
I would change him.
listen, me no want hear nothing about no marriage. Listen to me now. There's only three things left for do, you know. It's either you choose the calendar or you choose for me and you go have some form of counseling, go get some advice. Or you choose yourself.
This seems as if you're giving me ultimatum.
That's exactly what me I do. Jasmine, my husband, I me think it's fair if me ask you this. When I did younger, you can just tell me, you know, this are between me and you. When I did younger, nobody used to trouble you.
Well, no. But my first experience wasn't all that good. It wasn't something to like. So that and maybe that traumatized me.
So no, Jasmine, that not really make no sense. You go through your first experience, me understand that, but you experience a lot more before even me, and you tell me say you still no get over that.
The first is still the first. First love, first kiss, first this, first still matter.
You think we need to see some counseling? Cause me honestly, me not tell you no lie now. Me love you, but the whole sex thing is like me can't get to express myself to you as a man. And me kind of it a drain me energy, it a drain me mentally, and it a drain me physically. You hear me? I tell you.
Try something new. Maybe a massage or something. Sex, 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 sex.
Thank you both for coming. How are we doing today?
Good enough, sir.
Good. Okay. First, I'm gonna start with the lady first. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Jasmine McCree Spence. I'm married to this man. I'm a teacher by profession.
Okay.
Yeah.
This lady here married to me, and I'm Mr. Jermaine Spence.
Okay.
This man, really? This man? Sir, I don't know if I me salt or what this is. Like we've been having this problem for quite some time.
Mm-hmm.
Like tell me if this right.
Okay.
See? My wife here has a rule. This rule
Yeah.
say is like on a Saturdays we can have sex. And you know, with all respect and because of the love and so, me take what she said. You understand? But tell me if it's
Understand.
right for my wife
Your wife.
telling me that I can't have sex when I want. Like I come in from work and I can't have sex as often. She even have it on a schedule. She have it
Yeah.
on calendar. And you know she's the period 2 times for the month.
Yeah.
And
Right.
if it's on a Saturday, most time on a weekend, then woman get sick per weekend on them Sunday. So sometimes when on my time for me get the little sex, the period come. And every time during the week, she tell me she's tired and all them things. This is getting listen, I'm a man, you know, and me know me no look bad. I know me put myself together and look bad. Right?
Right.
And me think it unfair for me as a man to come home and can't get no sexual boy.
Well, Mr. Spence, I see your concern here, but first I want to hear what your wife have to say. Your wife's side of the story.
As I told you before, I'm a teacher.
Okay.
That job is a hectic job. At times I return home, I am tired, I am drained. Before we got married, he's aware that I'm a scheduled person. Everything with me is scheduled. Sex on the weekends, as he said, that's just how I
Understand.
work it. So before we got married, he's aware. So why should I change because I'm not married to him to please him? No. Why should I change?
Yeah, well,
I'm still a teacher. My job don't change. I'm still busy at times. I'm still drained. So
well,
what's the issue?
Imagine I'm a gynecologist. I see vagina every day, but that belongs to me, you know. I mean,
right,
one where
right,
it's supposed to belongs to me, where when we come home from work, we're supposed to can get it,
right.
right? It is very heartbreaking for me as a man to come home as a stress. It's not like it's no financial problem. This is just she working at work, you know. Eh?
All right, so
That
here,
take there.
all right, so I see, I see that this relationship is lack of having sexual intercourse. So, and as husband and wife, you guys are in each other life to fulfill each other wants and needs, right? So, Mrs. Spence, that schedule, the schedule that you have, I would advise you to cut a little space. Rewrite the schedule and cut a little space and add on the sex. Because your husband needs sex and sex is an important thing in your guys' marriage. And that's how you guys gonna have a healthy marriage, right?
It's not the most important thing.
But if
It
me
is
did a cheat, if me did
important.
a cheat, that important though.
It's
If me did a cheat,
important.
So why you have to consider cheating?
it is
Because
important
of
in a
what you
relationship.
cheat. You cheat on me because of sex.
Then if me there me yard and me why sense me live a yard woman and me can't have sex? Eh?
It's my
And
preference.
sex then
Hey, keep it down, Mr. Simmons. Keep it down.
every woman nowadays want have 2, 3 man. So what you mean? Sex everywhere.
You have to learn to live without babe. Suppose I was overseas.
You know what?
You have to learn to
Mrs.
just
Spence,
live without sex for a while.
I'm hearing you, sir.
I think I'm gonna take a break.
Take a break from what?
Talk some sense now. You see?
All right, just breathe. Just breathe and take it easy, Mr.
Sure, when
Spence.
you're leaving me?
Anyways, your husband, him need I see that he's very upset because, like, this would be frustrating for anyone in a relationship.
Do you get
Because
my point, though, Doc? Do you
I
understand my point?
I understand your point, but you have to make sex be a prioritize. You guys have to prioritize sex in a relationship
Okay.
because just as you said, you're coming home from work stressed out from the kids at school and all that. Coming home and give your husband a little piece that can relieve your stress. Didn't you know that, Mrs. Spence?
All right. I think I've said enough. I've heard enough. Thank you. I'll think about it and I'll try my best to add the sex to whatever to make the marriage work. Anyways, thank you.
Thanks for coming. You're the husband,
What's your name again?
Dr. Malcolm.
All right, my pleasure. I'll think about what you said to me.
You guys just work out something. It's the best for the marriage to survive, all right? Just think about it and you guys compromise and work out this better, okay?
Well, I actually love my husband, Doc. I love my husband, and if this thing, maybe the sex can save it, the marriage, I'll think about it. I'm not promising you that I'm gonna sex him every day or whatever, but I'll think about
But
it.
you guys need to work on this, all right? So, I'm gonna reschedule a date for next week. You guys available have a date next week?
I'll call.
What work best for you guys?
I'll give you a call. That's okay?
Sounds good.
All right, bye,
All
Doc.
right, so take care.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, the second. But I didn't know say I gotta change your mind. So yeah, look around there, you know.
Hey, you know what just come to my mind a while ago? Like my wife have a very weird thing that she do with her nose. Like
Look here. You come here to spend time with me or if you talk about your wife. I'm not business about your wife and you me care about.
well, actually, I'm. That's just. You see, my wife. I never cheat on my wife before.
First time for everything.
I love my wife, you know. I just think my wife is just different and she just don't understand me.
Alright, yeah, me
And
hear you say just take off your pants.
I'll
Take off your pants now?
you know what? Hold on. You
No, you hold on,
just
just
you see the article on the news this morning that the prime minister was
yeah, me
saying
see,
the
me
teacher
see.
them should not protest. Don't you see that?
Yes. Just come on the bed.
Did you think said that right? Eh?
Me enough my business. My business are your pants. Take ya.
No, but like she has said like the principal them say if she strike or if she protest, then we fire her. I mean I said that's nonsense. That's nonsense. Every teacher must strike and police everybody for stop go work because this is not a red and green situation. I think everybody should strike. This is the people of Jamaica against those thieves and hooligans in there.
Yeah. So I strike now. Take off your pants.
Well, as
Just get up now.
so me think say you know my wife. You think you know my wife, cause you kind of look just like her. It's just that you fatter.
In the name of the Lord, come go on your yard. No bother, go on your yard. No bother.
Well,
Go on your yard. Go on. Bye.
sorry.
Bye.
I think I left my shirt on. So.
Yeah, bye.
But as they tell about my wife.
Bye. Me no want to know about your wife. Bye. Goodbye.
only who? Where you coming from?
So Jasmine, is why you feel like you feel.
You left me from morning till now. Where you coming from? Jeremy, don't tell me you're cheating with the next female. Don't tell me that.
Jasmine,
You're coming from a female place?
stop one I can't hear. And let me be frank with you.
Go ahead.
Right? Let me be frank with you. I was like this close today from cheating. But it's because I love you. Why me couldn't allow myself to do it. But Jasmine, may I tell you, if this really continue, I think it's best we just separate and go both ways. Because me a man and me can't make me not see point of me having a woman, live with a woman, married to a woman. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me serious. Me not see the point of me being in a relationship, sleep every night, and you notice. Did you know that every morning 6 o'clock when the sun rise, them other something rise too, because it's nature. Every morning we're supposed to get some morning loving as a man. And it good for you till you started there. You would have a good day if you would have some good time in the morning them. This is the last time me I go talk about this. Me not tell a lie, Jasmine. It'll get to me now.
Babe, Jeremy, I'm sorry.
Stop.
I promise to give you everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, sex, anytime. Right through, non-stop. I don't want to lose you because I love you. I can't lose my Jeremy in my marriage because of nonsense and the schedule rubbish. I can't lose you, babe. And see, there you almost cheat. Suppose you didn't cheat when I didn't tell myself say.
Jasmine, right now, all we are going with, it sounds like a false hope why Prime Minister of Jamaica give the Jamaican people them right now. Me can't, no bother with it. Because you're going to say this now and tomorrow is the same thing. Everybody, listen,
Try me.
Just, as me say, this is the last time. I go today, I almost cheat, I never cheat. I go have a shower, I go bed, and if you hopefully when I wake up in the morning, you have some sense.
No, have the sense now. I can bed. We can have sex in the show. Come on, babe.
No, listen, I'm too tired.
I can join you, babe. Just give me a chance, please.
Jasmine, stop sounding like the Prime Minister of Jamaica.
I am not the Prime Minister. Maybe I'm the next Prime Minister, but I'm not at least. Just give me a chance to prove who I am to you, your wife. Just trust me, babe. I mean, I'm gonna make it up back to you right through.
Last time?
I can even come to your office. Trust me.
So look at walking good for you.
You know, I really like the walking already, babes.
But you know the walking good for you, so baby can just drop out boobs. Outside my back.
You know him?
Huh, sir? But as me I say, you must walk, man. Because you see, more you walk, and more your passageway open up so the picnic can come out fast. You understand? I say you go.
Guess what, though? You know, I really appreciate you. Like, I might be hiding it. I think I've been hiding it, but you could have left me, you know, Ozzy. You could have done that a long time ago, but I stick around with Jasmine. The craziness I've been keeping up with.
But that, me think me have like a confession to tell you too. I did get you pregnant on purpose. Because I know so when woman pregnant, it require more sex. So I did do it purposely. And you see, now that you're pregnant, how much time may I have sex?
I know.
Eh? Morning, day, noon, and night.
That's not a confession because I already know that. I know you, you know.
So I like it.
Of course.
So come on, and go. Have more sex, girl.
To think of it, you know, I just feel.
Stop
Yes.
it. Come on. much for watching. Alright, so let's talk about a few things. So you don't know my life reason we don't know at the end of every movie because it is very important. So let's touch on a few topics. The first topic we want to touch upon, when you see the shirt already, Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. And for those who are first time watchers of the channel, you might not know what we are talking about. We are talking about Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic for male enhancement. It is not like your Viagra. It is way different. It is something to enhance sexual performance in male. You know what I mean? And it's all natural, no health risk. Yeah, so that. So see the information on the shirt, the telephone number, the email address. Submit the link to Dr. Jack and we can make the thing work. Alright, so that aside now. So next thing we are talking about now is we are in the process of trying to find 2 female actresses. You know what I say? So if you're interested in acting and you want to be a part of Richard Brown Films and you got what it takes, link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and we can talk. Alright? So that aside now. Next thing we want to talk about. For a couple months now, we've been talking about if persons are interested in investing in what we do. That's what the mission that I am on right now. I'm looking for persons who love what we are doing, want to see we take the thing to the next level, and and is interested in investing in what we're doing. So if you're interested in investing in what we are doing, link me up. We can talk about how we can get the investment going and we can take the production to the next level. All right, and remember, even though it has seemed like a long time we've been talking about 1010 and her condition, for those who are concerned, she is not doing too bad, because she not doing no any filming or anything, She put on some weight, but she still feel pain now and then. She have not done the next surgery where she fit do, but she's still going to doctor because as I am talking now, which is Friday, she talked to me yesterday and she said she got a doctor today. So she have to constantly got a doctor do her checkups and ensure say when the money reach, she can able to do the surgery. So if there are persons out there who want to help her, you can link me up. We'll make the necessary link directly to her and you can make a donation towards her either going to doctor or her doing the surgery. Also, she said if you tell her no say, she gonna start try to do some vlogs back on her YouTube channel, so you guys can look out for that. So thank you very much for all who have been supporting what we do. We are still on the mission of taking the video production and movie making thing to the next level. So we still are putting the work. So thank you to everybody that has sticked around with what we're doing. And we just are continue putting the work while you guys continue to show support. Big up.
This is Excitement Bridal, Floral and Gifts. We offer a total wedding package. We plan any function that you have. Wedding, birthdays, anniversaries, just about anything. For weddings, we do a total package. In terms of catering, decorations, clothing. We are located at 120 Great George Street. The second plaza, that's Savlamar Commercial Center. We're on the second plaza from Burger King going downtown. Our telephone number is 918-1372 or 321-3151. And that's also a WhatsApp number.
hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.
Babe, what's all this about?
It just bugs me. You see, everything you say just bugs me, just coming out, bugs me. Come on, more serious now. No, I'm not bugs me, man.
The box is a little. I'm a box.
We didn't call you have to write lesson plan and this, that. Just find one come back. Ready? Ready, Alta? Ready? Ready?
So know about the marriage plan?
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you about it. No, well, not yet. But you know, I'm there together. I must know if more your man will marry to you. Ready?
What is it now?
Alright, so Alta, go keep answering. Jasmine, I'm a gynecologist. And I see vagina every day. So I know I don't have a vagina problem. The only problem I have is that I'm not getting yours.
What? My woman.
Right, ready now? Action.
Jasmine.
Jasmine, look.
Don't make because you're.
Yeah, man, don't make me vagina. Don't make because I look vagina. We have a problem. Ready? Shh. Come here, please, come. You know, so they like this 10 times to watch out what I do. Ready? Action. Jasmine, don't make because I look vagina. We have a problem.
So the fact that we get married, this wouldn't make no sense. This wouldn't make no sense.
Why would you do that?
Well, for him, kitchen. They don't say
Why would you need to tear up the song? You know, I'm going to get the calendar. You need to tear it up, Alton.
This don't make no sense, Jasmine.
Me like it tear up, no business. Me like it. It's just
I want
that
dirty piece of shit.
We don't get you nice.
Catch
Should I buy two? How are you getting come?
And next door, me go and turn up a bag.
Ready now.
Borrow a bag and next the man say, just take it.
Okay. You're different too. Ready now, Alton, ready. Action.
We think we pass through them and sit here and just.
Why would you do that?
What do you mean, why would you do that? I think you pick me and come right down me days of.
And action.
Hey, honey.
Hey, honey, where you coming from?
So, Jasmine, why you feel like
You left me from morning till now. Where you coming from? I beg to cheat and I'm with the next female out there.
Come on, what is that?
You've
gone too
far.
Wait, don't.
I'll say
What
it.
is it? Yeah, man, come on. That not sound come off clear. Man,
Make it baby can understand what you're saying.
Don't stop it. Don't tell me you're cheating on me with some careless female. Say it more clear.
So, take your time and make and
Come Jack, ready?
not sound too overly.
Ready now. But she had it done. Ready on action.
Where you coming from?
That's alright,
I almost cheat on you. It's just because I love you. That's the only thing that saved me from cheating on you. Continue, ready?
You know,
Jeremy, I'm sorry.
No man, you talk to him, man. Straight up yourself, man. Why do you feel like you have your look under? See ya. So one thing so listen, one thing so when you say fix your hair and just straighten up your body and talk to him. Set down your back head now. Set down back head. Ready? Ready now, action. Stay in the character, I see you in that frame. Ready?
The only problem you see with the vagina is that it's not being used. So I don't know if it's that you like to spend money. You like to spend money?
Sometimes if I feel one good cause, but I come clean, I tell you the truth. You know, say, I don't know what. I don't remember what you told me to call.
No man, say your one word.
No, I
Watch out
don't
now.
remember
The
exactly.
bottom line, you don't come here because you like me.
Right.
Oh, I like
You
you.
like
Look me and
me.
look you.
Look here, look me.
And then while you say that, you stretch your hand over and touch him.
Okay. Start over.
The only problem I see with the vagina is that your vagina is not being used. So I don't know if it's that you like to spend money or you just like to just come a doctor.
Sometimes I want good cost, but now come clean. I tell you really, real truth, you know. The reason I've been coming here so often is because I like you, you know.
Well,
But
Alicia, as you can see, I am married.
so
I don't cheat on my wife.
Hold this,